guys, it's Rachel and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another summer haul. I am so excited for the warm weather. Today was actually stunning here in Toronto, so doing this haul kind of just got me excited for the warm weather, and certain things are opening up now, which is amazing, and I'm just going to try to make the best of my summer possible. Again, I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy during this time. Today's video is in partnership with my friends at Boohoo. They got me to pick out a few of their summer items, and I really just stuck to basics here. I want to choose things that you guys could wear over and over again. I've been very picky about the trends that I've been trying to incorporate into my wardrobe this summer, so a lot of this is really simple but really good picks. All the links are going to be in the description box below, and for my Canadian customers, they actually introduced a new option for payment called PayBright, where you can pay in 4 easy installments and there is no additional charges or anything as long as you stick to your payment schedule. With that being said, I just want to thank Boohoo for sponsoring today's video, and let's just get into the picks. Also, if you guys want to see me style any of these, they're going to be on my Instagram 100%. So let's stick to basics. I got 2 white crew neck hoodie situations, and these are both 100% cotton. And you may ask why I wanted things that are 100% cotton. We are going to be tie-dyeing and we're going to be doing some really fun stuff. A lot of you guys were asking me where to find affordable cotton crew necks and stuff to tie-dye, and I found a bunch on Boohoo, so I just want to show you guys examples. This is in a size large, and I also got this one, I believe, in a size, this one I think is also in a size large. So I wanted that oversized fit. They're going to be really fun to tie-dye. I've been loving doing extra crafts and stuff in the summertime, so that's why I picked up these 2 pieces. I did manage to find 1 pair of joggers, but I do not think that these were 100% cotton, so I don't know how they are going to dye, but they are in the shade Ivory, and I got them in a medium. They're really pretty. Like, they're just like simple joggers. They definitely fit a more petite length. For me, they don't even, I don't think, reach the bottom of my foot. So that's just something good to know. They're high-waisted. They're a little bit on the sheerer side, but it doesn't really matter if you are going to be tie-dyeing them, because if you're going to be doing some color, it won't matter. I don't know what I'm trying to say here. But yeah, I got those in a size medium, so they have a lot of good options if you're into that whole tie-dye trend and you want to do it yourself at home. That's why I picked that stuff. The next stuff I have here is like the real clothes, so let's move on to that. I got this beautiful white set, which is a little bit sheer, so I would reserve it more for like a beach cover-up or just lounging around at home, but it is the set. I got this in a US 4. It's just this ribbed pant along with this really cute little cardigan number. I think this is gonna be so nice to take an Instagram picture in, layered with gold necklaces, maybe a little bikini top underneath. Like, this is bomb. I think that this is gonna be so cute for maybe like over swimming or things like that. I got 2 pairs of sandals, and guys, I'm not a big sandal person at all. I actually really prefer wearing running shoes or something with a closed toe, but this trend, guys, this is the trend I gave into. It is that chunky, like strappy athletic sandal, and I've been seeing them everywhere. I love that look. I cannot wait to wear them with like cut off shorts or like just a little pair of running shorts and an oversized tee. I think they're so easy. So I got them in white as well as black. So you guys are going to be seeing these a ton in my videos. I'm even going to do like a poll maybe of like, I don't know, an Instagram post or something, because they're so cute. And they're just the perfect amount of platform, which I love. Like, they're not overly platform. They just are easy. I'm gonna be wearing these all summer. I already know it. They're really comfortable. I sized up in these because I'm in between sizes. So I did do a size 7. Going back, I probably would have done okay with the 6. And the ankle strap is adjustable. I have a very like tiny ankle, so I tighten it all the way and it's pretty secure, which is also really good for a shoe like this. So I have them both. Okay, so moving on to 2 basics here. I also got this oversized sweater, which is in a size medium. This one is 50% cotton, 50% polyester, so pretty suitable for bleach dyeing if you're going to be doing that, but I think I'm just going to leave this one alone. I think it's really cute on its own, with a pair of little gray running shorts, those sandals I showed you. I think this is a really sweet, just easy pullover. Okay, moving on, guys. I also got 1 little baby blue tank top. I got this in a US 2, guys, and this barely fit over my head because I have a really absurdly large head, but it fits so nice on. It almost feels like shapewear because it really like cinches you in. I probably would have done better with the US 4, but the 2 looks really cute on because it like just really like does this. Really cute for the summertime. Again, with those little sandals, a pair of little cutoff shorts. It's just such an easy look, and I think it always looks great. You guys know I'm really into my little racer back tank tops, and this is no exception. And then also I got this gray long sleeve, and this was a little bit of a mistake because I thought this was the full set. So definitely read your descriptions. Okay, so this was definitely a little bit of an error on my part. I thought that this was the full set because it says mix and match soft cropped loop back sweat. So I just assumed that it was the full sweat because it came with this really cute little like short as well, but I turned out I only picked out the top and never actually picked out the bottoms. But this is still cute. I think it looks really good with some cutoffs. Again, a really just easy gray basic, but guys, do it with the shorts because it's gonna look even better. We cannot finish the haul without some bikinis. First one is this gingham number, guys. I'm back into gingham every summer. I'm like, I'm not gonna wear this. I wear it too much, and then I find something and I like it, especially in swimwear. This is the gingham one piece I got. Guys, I love a good one piece swimsuit. I think it's so adorable. I should have sized down in this. I got this in a size for women's, and it's a little bit too long in the straps, so I'm gonna have to take it in. It's very, very cute though. I love a good gingham swimsuit. I think it's so cute, very family friendly, may I add, and just easy. Okay, so, and then the last two, I'm gonna ask you which color you like better, the purple or the yellow, because I got two swimsuits of the same style, just different colors. They're just simple string bikinis. If I had to pick any type of shape of swimwear, I would definitely say pick a triangle bikini, mainly because it's adjustable on the hips so they don't dig in. Tops can be worn a number of different ways, as you guys can see here. There's so many different ways to tie a triangle top. They come in really fun colors, so you can mix and match if that's like your thing. Really easy, and these are so affordable. I love these, and I'm so excited. I think I like the yellow one better, but let me know which one is your fave. Okay guys, that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini summer haul. I also want to thank Boohoo again for sponsoring this, and I'm going to link all of my picks in the description box below. And I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. And with that being said, I'm going to go. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye everyone.